Hey, are you ready to go? Yeah, I'm almost done. I just have to put the candy on the porch for the trick-or-treaters. And you still haven't told me why it's so important that you go trick-or-treating. Like you're an adult, you can just buy the candy. It's just not the same. When me and my brother were kids, we weren't allowed to trick-or-treat. Dad said he was absolutely not sending his sons out to beg for food. Wow. And that's not even the worst of it. Instead of just putting up a sign that says no candy, he would wait for trick or treaters to come to the door and say, "Stop begging for food. Go get a job." So you see, I have to make up for all the free candy that I missed out on as a kid. Have you thought about therapy? No. Why? No reason. Let's just get this candy on the porch, and remember, we have to be at the barn by 7 to help Malik and August finish setting up. Well, that should do it. It's paired to my phone. We just need to let it finish charging and then we can select our settings. This thing can jump, screech, hiss, and even walk. You have any idea where we're going to put it? Yeah, I got a spot in the back of the barn. I just need to move a few more bales of hay. Come on, let me show you. It's this back corner. No, it's true. What the heck? Oh, hey, Sharon. I don't understand how everybody keeps guessing that it's me. Well, I'm not sure what it is, but something about this outfit just says Sharon to me. It's the blue hoodie, isn't it? I knew I should have wore the red one. That one says more psycho. Plus it matches my chainsaw. No, I don't think it's the blue hoodie. Yeah, this outfit already screams psycho. Well, I still think I'm gonna go home and change. Plus, all these little ghosts are giving me the creeps. I think we can agree that Halloween and Sharon is not a good mix. What is she even talking about, little ghost? Whoa. Ooh, ooh, you shall not pass. Oh my god, Amy, is that you? You and your little friends look so cute in your ghost costumes. I gotta get a picture. Flattery will get you nowhere. You still shall not pass. You're really sticking to this character, huh? Miss Tanja, trick or treating is for kids only, so you shall not pass. Okay, this is cute and all, but I've got to collect my candy. No, for too long the adults have come into our neighborhood and taken our candy. We're putting a stop to it this year. But I live in this neighborhood. Oh, yeah, thanks for reminding me. Excuse me for 1 minute. Is that the latest iPhone? I don't even have that one. Yes, Miss Tanya always has the good stuff. Hey, Amy. Yeah, we just made it to Miss Tanya's house. Yeah, she left candy. We're filling our backpacks up right now. Okay, Maya, I'll see you guys back at the treehouse later. Miss Tanya, thank you for your contribution to our cause. Okay, Amy, I've had enough of your little ghost game. And why are you all dressed in the same costume anyway? That's a little weird. But you don't find it weird that you and Miss Tanya are dressed in the same costume? Well, she kind of has a point. We figured ghost costumes would save our parents money and they can put that money towards our Christmas gifts. Well, whatever your reason may be, you and your spooky squad just need to step aside. We have places to be and candy to get. You're trying to monopolize Halloween. Who does that? Roger? Hold on just a second, Tanya. Don't make me have to call your parents. What is it? They have us surrounded. Oh wow, look at the time. Amy, we're running late for something, so we're gonna be going. Bye. No, Candy. This day couldn't possibly get any worse. Roger, I promise it'll be okay. There'll be plenty of time to trick or treat after we help Malik in August. Okay, fine. I guess they're in the barn. Hey, Malik, we're here. Ah! Get it off! Get it off! Oh my god! Help! Get off help! Of him! Help! Get off! Help! Get off! Oh wow, it took my pail. Tanya, I think it's done with your pail. Hold on, Roger. Ah! Ah! Ah!
doing?
Well, isn't it obvious? We're saving the world from giant killer spiders. Well, thanks, guys, for helping me finish setting up. We should be able to open on time tonight. Well, it was absolutely no problem, and it was the least we could do after breaking your spider. Yeah, and your broom. I don't think anybody will notice the tape holding it together. Guys, I got the spider fixed, and I made sure to set it to not jump, so we shouldn't have any more issues. So, you're able to control this thing with your phone? Yep, sure can. Hmm. Would you be interested in taking it on a test run? Sure. What did you have in mind? Mommy! Where are you guys going? Man, that was awesome. Now it's time to get some candy. All right, just don't tell my wife I had anything to do with this.